In my last video, I showed how I used the OONI Pizza Oven to make delicious homemade pizza. I used their dough recipe, and here's how it went. 364 grams of lukewarm water, 9 grams active dry yeast, add together, mix, and set aside. Then I measured out 00 flour. You'll need 607 grams of this, along with 18 grams of salt. Add the salt to the yeast and mix. Then you'll pour that mixture into the flour. Mix until you get a shaggy dough. I couldn't find my dough hook, so I kneaded it by hand a good 10 minutes. Then you'll add that dough back into a well-oiled bowl, cover, and place in a warm and dark area. I had initially put it in the micro, but my husband kept opening the door, so I moved it to the oven. Allowed to double in size, or about 2 hours. When it's done, you can shape whatever size dough balls you want, and you'll let it rise for another 30 minutes until ready to go. And then that's how you get delicious pizza dough. Yum!